Hello everyone, welcome to episode 7 of Senior Tech. Today we're going to give you some shortcut ideas that you can use on your Windows PC. On our last episode we covered copy and paste. We'll show you how to do that with a keyboard. And we're going to show you a couple of other little nice tricks that might make your computing a little easier. Okay, let's start by opening our browser here again, and let's go right to the 2B Computer site right here. That might be an easy way. By the way, if you're ever here, you can go to 2B Computers, hit the Senior Tech button here, and you can find some software which we recommend here, but you can find all our episodes will be listed here, and you can just click on it and it takes you right to that episode. Okay, so let's go back in our browser by pressing the little back key here. And let's search for, China. Here we hit enter. And there's some things. Again, like we showed you in our last video, if you bring your mouse here, you see the little line. Hold the button down. Highlight what you want to copy. Now at this point we're going to use our keyboard to copy this. Once you have it highlighted, hold down the ctrl key, and I'll show you here in a minute exactly where these things are on your keyboard, but hold down the ctrl key and the C key, like Charlie. At this point, after doing that, this will be on my clipboard so I can paste it. Let's open Microsoft Word again. And now we're going to paste it using the keyboard again. Hold the Control key down and press the V key as in Victor once. And there you go, it's pasted. So we use the Control C to copy and the Control V to paste. Let me show you exactly where those are on the keyboard. Now some things can be a little different layout on keyboards, like your delete key for example, but most of them are pretty much standard. Here's your control key, so you're going to hold that and C to copy. Control key, hold it down, and at the same time press V to paste. Well, you know, we've talked about in other videos, if you ever get stuck in a program and you can't get out of it, or your browser is locked because some malicious software has taken over, one of the ways to get out of that is to use a 3-key combination, which is Control, Alt, and the delete key. Now some keyboards this delete key will be up here or down here depending on your keyboard, but it'll be there somewhere. So if I hit the Control, Alt, I'm holding them both at the same time, and I hit the delete key, watch what happens. We get to the screen. What we want here is Task Manager. If I click on that, this little window comes up and tells me everything that's running in my computer. So let's say I'm locked because of this photo program I'm using right now. If I click on that once to highlight it, just clicking on it, and hit the End Task key, it closes that program for me. So that is a very handy thing to always remember. It's a great safety valve to have. Okay. Well, you know how sometimes you want to work on two things at once, or it would be easier to work on two things at once. The first thing to do is open the two programs that you want to use. I'm going to open Word again. And here is Word open for me. Now I'm going to move this to one side or the other and minimize it by holding the Windows key, and I'll show you where that is. It's the little symbol that looks like a window. I hold that down and I hit one of the arrow keys of left or right. I'm going to hit the left key while holding that Windows key. So it moved it to one side, as you can see. So that is open there. Now these are other things that are open on my computer, programs. This is the program that's recording this video. And this is my browser. So if I click anywhere on this browser, I had it minimized, so what I have to do is just hit Google Chrome, and it opens it small, as you can see, but it's on top of my other window. So I'm going to hold the Windows key down and press the arrow that points right. So now I have both programs open. So let's say I wanted to copy that again. So I'm going to highlight this text like I showed you before. I'm going to hold down the Control key, the C key, as in Charlie. So I have that copied. Bring my mouse over here, click on this window, it starts blinking. I hold the Control key down and hit the V key, as in Victor. And it just pasted this text over here for me. It's a handy thing to have. Let's say you're doing a project and you're getting things off the internet, you're copying pictures and you're pasting them. That's how to do it. Let's try it again. Let's go here and let's go to Google. By the way, this is the address bar for websites. I clicked on it once, it turned all blue, so at this point I can type in an address there. So I am going to type in Google, google.com. I hit the Enter key and it goes to Google. I can go to China again, search for China. Now let's find an image. So we're going to go to Images, and I want to copy this picture right here. I click on it, there's the picture. Right click on the picture, copy image. Can't use keyboard for this one, but we want to copy the image here. We click on it once. Now it's on the keyboard. I come back to my Word document, click on it, it's blinking there. I want the picture down a little bit, so I hit my Enter key. There it is. And now at this point I could use the keyboard, and I hit the Control key, hold it down. I hit the V key as in Victor. It didn't do it. Okay. Maybe we cannot use the Control key. Let's try the paste command. Nope. Didn't do it. Try it again. Copy image. Right click. Paste. Not doing it. So in this instance, when you have two windows open, you're probably going to have to save the image as. I'm going to save it to my desktop. It's called download. I'll leave it at that name. Hit save. And now let's try to put it in here another way. So I click here, it starts blinking. Let me try inserting. Click the Insert tab, Picture. Go to my desktop. And those are the pictures on my desktop, so this is the one I want. Press on that and hit the Insert key here. There you go. There's the picture. I can make it bigger or smaller. Okay, so learn something here myself. When you have these two windows open, for example, from images, I cannot copy from there. Let's try it going right to a website and trying to copy an image right from a website. So if we go to the picture, we go to the actual website by clicking on it right there. There's the image. Okay, let's right click on it, copy the image, they're trying to sign me up for that magazine. Hit my enter key to move it down, and I'm going to try pressing the ctrl and V as in Victor key, and it's trying. So it did paste it. Not a very good paste. Kind of squished down. But if I clicked on it, I can drag the picture down. I don't like that result. In this case, I'm going to recommend for you to save your images to the desktop, and then you can move it into your word processor. Okay, so let's close that window out. I want this window big again. I just have to press this to maximize it, and it goes big again. Okay, let's close out of that. Hit the no button. Well, like always, I'm going to thank you for watching and tell you to keep a lookout for our next episode. Please, if you enjoy these videos, please like it with the little thumbs up here on the bottom. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel. Please click to subscribe if you haven't already. It helps us with our YouTube ratings. Please visit our website where you will see all the shortcuts to our videos. There's a link to our website right in the description of this video right there on the bottom. Again, thanks for watching, and see you next time on Senior Tech.